Well, I haven't had this little guy out in a really long time. I had to relearn how to use it. Uh, and it took about 45 minutes. There's some subtleties involved with it. The function it's doing now is called direction track, and it goes in reverse in front of me.
Oh, heck, are we going to be on the movies?
Yeah, you're on it right now. Are you okay with that?
I'm great with it. Glad to meet you.
Hi.
Travels with Dottie and the one and only Dottie. Yes.
Now I'm gonna find out what it's gonna do. I stopped, so it's gonna. All right, we're back on. We met Bill, a new friend. I always can use new friends, that's for sure. The big bonus of being a YouTuber is people that watch already know a little bit about you and they feel comfortable. So I make friends. And that is the best thing about it. We're taking a day off today, solar. Danny had some coming to town. Dottie's stopping. Dottie, come on. You think she's peeing? She's not. I was just telling Bill about how frustrating it is to walk Dottie. I love Dottie to death, but she is stubborn on a walk. And yes, I've trained dogs before, with, making heel and stuff. Yeah, Dottie and I are retired. I'll put up with it. I'm not going to train her. What are you doing, Dottie? I don't know if you can see that on the video, but it put the brakes on so hard, and I pulled, and the whole harness was coming off her. It was over her head. Good girl. So anyway, I'm not gonna train Dottie. She's retired. I'm retired. She gets to do what she wants to do, and I'm happy to put up with it. This is unusual, though. Her walking next to me. It won't last long, trust me. Well, let's see how good this girl is doing. Turning the corners here. Not bad, not bad. Now, she's stopping again. See that? Usually, I would just stop, let her stop a few times on the block. But if I stop using the Neo here, it'll shut down. I'll have to restart it again. And I don't think the battery, I think, lasts about 8 minutes. So when you get close, it'll give me a warning. What does it say now? In flight, 60, looks like it's so hard to read. 60% battery. So it's almost, you have battery in just 15 minutes. Another beautiful course that day. Hey, flying camera. Shooting a video. You might be in it. I don't know how wide the view is. Wait, you got the big part of the RV park here. Arizona Sun RV Park in beautiful Quartzsite, Arizona. Let's see how it does making the next to the last turn here. I'm impressed that it's following me so well when I make a turn. The last time I used it, it didn't do so well, and I'm thinking maybe a firmware update improves things. You okay, Daddy? Forgotten how much fun this is. We got one more turn to make. Hey. Yeah, travel with Dottie. And if you're okay with it, you're about to be on a video. Okay. Oh, that's a video? Yeah. People are usually pretty curious about this thing. Because people are used to drones, but the drones that they're used to are the ones that go up way high, cover a lot of ground, do aerial views. This isn't that. This is like a person level drone. Not much of a chance of being a navigation hazard from airplane. What the airplane is flying at about 6 or 7 feet up. 39%. Now, you notice because this engine's so loud that he wouldn't have heard the sound of the drone. But I think, if I remember right, this software I'm using is going to remove that sound automatically. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see. See if I can make a circle of the RV. What do you think? I don't want it to hit. Maybe I'll change the follow mode, maybe. If I move real quick here. I think it is. All right. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed the walk. And it's going to come in for a landing.